This is basically testing you whether you remember the protocol for pap smear card testing. Right. So now this is a 27-year-old woman. Okay. 27-year-old woman who has a 3-year-old child. Okay. Now she's saying that she had a pap smear during her last pregnancy, which was normal. Okay. So she has a 3-year-old child, and basically 3 साल पहले ही उसने कभी तो pap smear किया था, and after she was pregnant, she has not gone for a pap smear yet. Right. And one of her close friends was diagnosed with breast cancer. Now she's thinking, what if I have it too? Right. So she wants to get checked for all types of cancers. Okay. So the question is asking you the protocol according to age for, different types of cancers. Right. So now she's a 27-year-old. Okay. So breast cancer screening is started after 50 years. Right, unless she has history of breast cancer in her family, which she does not. Right, family में कुछ नहीं है, right? So now she's 27-year-old. अभी उसके लिए what all screening is indicated? That is अपना pap smear only. Okay. So pap smear के लिए you have 21 पे start होगा and you will do pap smear every 3 years. ठीक है? Every 3 years you will do pap smear, and once she crosses 30 years, then you will do pap smear with HPV code testing. HPV code testing is basically a PCR for HPV का DNA. So it's like थोड़ा specific for that. ठीक है? It's like a big gun when you compare it to pap smear. So pap smear के chances are failure rate are relatively higher than HPV code testing. So because this is very reliable HPV code testing, if you're doing both pap smear and HPV code testing, you have to do it every 5 years. Okay, but that starts after 30 years. So basically, now till the age of 30 years, you will do pap smear every 3 years. Right? Once she's 30 years old, uske baad every 5 years, you're going to do pap smear and HPV co-testing. Okay, that's for cervical cancer. For breast cancer, you will do like less than 50 years agar hai, then the screening modality is USG. And you just don't randomly do USG for no, if there is no family history वगैरह, so you don't go for USG. You don't do a screening. Screening starts after 50 years, right? And if there is no family history, then you'll do after 50 years you will start with a mammogram, and you'll do a mammogram every 2 years. Okay, this is more as a step to this question, but थोड़ा overlap होता ही है दोनों exams में. Okay. So question B says, option B says HPV co-testing only. So that you will consider after 30 years. And even after 30 years, you will do both pap smear and co-testing, right? Yeah. Let's do a mammogram and a blood test for CA125. Because CA125 is for ovarian cancer. And you don't do that unless there's a family history. So this option is, yeah, and mammogram though you'll do after 50 years only. So you can rule out this option. The option says ki you did your pap smear 3 years ago and we can repeat it after 2 more years. That is incorrect. You will do that for co-testing ke liye. And last option is also incorrect because she does need screening test, right? She needs pap smear screening test.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.